Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Trust Wallet portal. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your default search engine, then search Trust Wallet Login. Then click to Web Login. Then again click Login from the top right corner. There, enter your email address or your username. Then enter your password. You can view your password by clicking Show. Once you have entered your login credentials, click Login. Then you should be able to access your Trust Wallet account. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking I forgot my password. Or if you are new to Trust Wallet, you can create an account by clicking Create Your Account. And if you want to log in with your passkey, you can click Login with the passkey. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.